My name is Andrea Brown-Westfahl, and welcome to my channel, Knitting with Color. Today, I'm going to explore a fascinating piece of equipment that blends hand knitting and machine technology, and it's called the knitting machine. So what precisely is a knitting machine? It's a device that uses a series of latch hooks or needles to interlock loops, just like hand knitting on a knitting needle, but on a larger and more mechanical scale. There are different types of knitting machines, but I'm only going to show you flatbed machines in this video. A flatbed knitting machine can produce knitted fabric, flat panels that can be used to create scarves, sweaters, or you can cut and sew your own design to make authentic pieces of material that you yourself create. Let me show you how it works. Each needle on the machine represents a stitch. Now, when you move the carriage like this, the sliding part here across the bed, what happens is it lifts and lowers the needles in sequence, and then it catches the yarn, and then it forms new stitches. So the yarn feeds, you can feed the yarn from a comb or on a spool. But here's the best part. Once you have your yarn set up, you can knit a long piece of fabric in just a few minutes instead of hours by hand. And that's what makes this such a wonderful tool for anyone that knits. So to sum it up, the knitting machine is a great blend of art and technology. It helps you to create beautiful, high-quality fabrics faster and with your creative possibilities. So whether you're a textile design or you're just a plain knitter or an engineer, the knitting machine opens up a world of creativity, stitch by stitch. Thank you for watching, and happy machine knitting.